Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a screen lock to iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the settings. So now in the settings, we want to go over to the Face ID and passcode. So we need to scroll a bit until we see it. Now here we can set up our Face ID if we want both, or we can just set up a passcode. So we can scroll a bit down and here click turn passcode on. Now here we need to enter our new passcode. We can choose the passcode options for a 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit, custom, or custom alphanumeric. So it's totally up to your preference what you choose here. So I'll go with the 4-digit numeric code. This is the least safe option, so I do not recommend it. Also, do not enter the same password like me, because I am entering the 1234, and even iPhone tells me that this passcode can be easily guessed, but I'm gonna use it anyway. It's only for the recording. So here, make sure that you create a strong password. Now you need to verify it again, and as you guys can see, now we have our passcode ready. So whenever we lock our phone, we will have to unlock it using our freshly set up password. Now, if you want to create the Face ID, all you have to do is go back to those settings and enter a passcode. Now here, click on Set up Face ID, and you will need to position your face in the camera frame. So right here, and after you position it, you click on Start again, and you will have to rotate your head just like that. So you do a 360 with your head, and it should all be set up. So I'll quickly do that off camera. Now, as you guys can see, it's done, and it asks us if we want to create Face ID with a mask. So it's most accurate when you have a full face recognition, and while wearing a mask, as you guys can see, iPhone can recognize the unique features of our eye area to authenticate that it's us trying to unlock the phone. So you guys can either select don't use the Face ID with a mask, or set it up right now. And as you guys can see, you won't need to wear a mask during the setup. So I'll click setup later, and as you guys can see, the Face ID is now set up. Our dynamic island is telling it to us, and here we can choose what we want to use our Face ID for. So as you guys can see, everything is set up. We can try and unlock our phone using the Face ID. So you saw it disappear. Now we can do that again, and it works just like that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.